And this is why we always pack our walking boots when we go away. The beautiful island of Skiathos. We've just walked over about 5 miles through all of that, from down there somewhere, right in the very middle. This wonderful little GoPro camera won't do the scene any justice, but it'll do it enough justice. And the tracks are generally of this quality, of which we did a little bit of quad biking on, which was a lot of fun and a lot less energy used and needed, because this is quite a walk. Even though it's cloudy, it's still quite warm and very sweaty, for me anyway. If you're coming to Skiathos, pack your boots and don't just sit on the beach. Come and see the island and enjoy it. You'll find wacky little tavernas in the most random of place, and you'll get to see these views from all over the island once you get up in the hills. Utterly beautiful.